Assalamu alaikum, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly transformative in store for you. The 7-Day Fiber Smoothie Challenge. If you're tired of feeling sluggish and uncomfortable due to constipation, you're in for a treat. Are you ready to make every day better and banish constipation? With our fiber-packed smoothies, we're going to kickstart a week of delicious, gut-loving goodness. Our first smoothie is the Tropical Digestive Delight. It's a vibrant mix of ripe bananas, pineapple, mango, spinach, and chia seeds. This combo will have your taste buds dancing and your digestive system thanking you. Blend these together, pour it out, and voila, you've got a tropical escape in a glass, working wonders for your gut. Now, let's talk about the Berry Burst Fiber Fix. Imagine mixing the goodness of mixed berries, a ripe pear, apple, kale, and flax seeds. This vibrant beauty is a berry explosion that'll leave you feeling light and energized. Blend it up, pour it out, and experience a burst of flavor that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your digestion. And that's not all. Our Green Goddess Gut Soothe Smoothie is next. This one's all about the magic of an avocado, cucumber, spinach, parsley, hemp seeds, and a touch of lemon. It's like a green hug for your gut. So, blend it to perfection, pour it into your glass, and bask in the calming green color that's loaded with soothing benefits. For the next 7 days, we're diving headfirst into these incredible recipes, one for each day. You'll find the full list of ingredients and steps in the video description. Join us in this journey of flavor, health, and relief. Remember, the 7-Day Fiber Smoothie Challenge isn't just about these 7 days. It's about establishing habits that'll keep your gut happy and healthy for the long run. All 3 smoothies. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with friends who need a taste of relief. Cheers to a week of sipping and smiling, and we'll see you in the next video.